Okay, here's quick fast. So I keep all the stuff I need to have handy. Oil, water, tie downs. I gotta do the screens still on the windows. And that's just the ramp. And I still have to put the mattresses on here. And when we go traveling, right there at the foot of the bed is my 12-volt refrigerator, which the 12-volt plug reaches up there where there's a plug. And it only works when the van's on, so it charges while we're driving. And there's a generator down there. And I don't know if you can see it. Whoop. There's a big floor fan, and it plugs into the generator, which will run it for a long time. And we use the tablet and the Chromebook for entertainment. There's my window things. And what this is it's shelving. And I've got one of my big hammocks, my tablecloth. All that can just be pulled out before I put my son on the bed, which I still have to put the mattresses on here. And it's a piece of thick foam and then a memory foam. And then under here there's boxes like this. And my stove. And there's just all your different things that you carry with you. That's all my tools. And this is my chair with my cup in it. I'll put a pillow over that, but I also can just fold that up and stow it behind the seat or under this unless I need it. And the flooring is awesome in there. And there we go.